What's up guys, Everything Apple Pro here. Let's go ahead and take a look at AirPods 3. So this design has actually leaked extensively in the past few weeks, and now there's a clone of them. Before Apple even released theirs, this company has beat Apple to the punch. I do believe they're called AirTWS 60s, and probably gonna be extinct soon or super popular. Wow, this thing really is tiny. So the cool thing about these is they're actually one-to-one with the specifications that have leaked online. And from what I'm seeing just by looking at the casing, it's tiny. Pretty much a blend between AirPods 2 and AirPods Pro. And if we open these up, wow, you can see that they definitely look a lot cleaner. And I really can't believe how good these feel in the hands. Nice and hefty, and let's pop one of these out. Wow, okay. So that really is an all new design. So everything that has been rumored, by the way, the leakers, 52 Audio, they specified all the features they expect, and here's the actual design before Apple releases it. It's not often that a company actually beats Apple to the punch with an accurate design. So as for the packaging, nothing special here, really cheap cable, got a quality control pass in there with some Chinese symbols, and there are instructions. Says there is a spatial audio feature. We'll test that out, what the software looks like. But from what I remember, it's actually been a while since I reviewed clone AirPods. They got pretty close. They were really good. And I'm assuming this one has the new H1 chip connectivity. Very similar design, and with AirPods 2 here, as you can see, the stem has been minimized. It's now the exact same length, almost, as the AirPods Pro, actually a little bit taller. Yeah, so not quite as compact, but from what we're hearing, this is gonna be the best of both worlds. Originally, it was rumored that we would have removable tips, but that doesn't seem to be the case, as there's nowhere for these to clip into here. I actually really like this larger sensor look. So it's more like a panda. Much cuter design, more of a pebble. Definitely like the AirPods Pro. This one extends a little bit further here in the front, a little bit narrower. They retain the charge points, and the stem itself is a little thicker, a little bit more blocky there. Still got the force sensor. So design-wise, these look awesome, the actual units. The casing, just like rumored, will be less wide. Yeah, a little bit taller here than the AirPods Pro casing, just by a smidge, but definitely a lot smaller. The back, very similar hinge. And again, this is a clone, but I really cannot believe how close it is to Apple's quality and sheen even. Let's see if it passes the snap test. And it certainly does. Sounds very natural. See if an AirPod Pro will fit in here. That it will not. Again, pretty much confirming that it will not receive the ear tip feature, as there's nowhere for it to close on. According to 52 Audio, the price will be $150. And from the Elec, we heard $200, which also sounds reasonable. Hopefully closer to $150. I think that's very reasonable for what you'd get. But anyways, let's go ahead and try and connect, see how close they got feature-wise. Pops up as AirPods Pro. Not your AirPods Pro. Shows the casing from the AirPods Pro. Pretty sure these guys did not know what Apple would be calling it. Everyone is assuming AirPods 3, as AirPods Pro 2 are rumored to be stemless. You see, you do get the animations, Hey Siri, all that, and a spatial audio. I'm actually curious if this works. And before we try that out, I want to compare it to AirPods 2. So as I speak, I would say there's definitely more of a noise cancellation effect. It just fills my ear cavity a little more. And compared to AirPods Pro, I think there's no comparison, as that, yeah, actually seals it. First off, spatial audio. That's stereo. If I click on that. Yeah, it mimics it a little bit. I definitely don't compare it to AirPods Pro, but the effect is somewhat there. If we go ahead and turn on transparency mode, will there be a difference? While I'm speaking, I can hear myself clearly. With transparency mode, no difference. And noise cancellation, no difference. So this is not real. There's really nothing going on here. The best they can do here is push a frequency into your ear to filter out outside noise, but it doesn't seem to do anything. Yeah, so you get all the AirPods Pro controls here, even the ear tip fit test, which of course you don't have here, even supports optimized battery charging. So all the software features that Apple's been developing on the Pros are being mimicked on these. I think that's super interesting. Very responsive. And let's go ahead and test out the audio quality. And with Zoo's new banger, let's bump it up. I mean, I reviewed the really old AirPod clones and quality was horrible on those. Here at about 85%, 80%, bass is very lacking, but they do get pretty loud, and the detail is pretty good. The highs are all right. $45, I mean, that's how much these cost. I'm amazed at the quality, the sound quality, the software integration. For me, it was most interesting checking out that design, and it's everything we expected from AirPods 3, a blend between AirPods Pro and AirPods 2. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'll have more for you soon, but real quick one for you. Peace.